Hey y'all, I've been busy. Oh, life update. You see these? Yep, got those done. You see these? Yeah, stop playing. And I'm finna show y'all a sandwich I just made. I'm cooking right now. And I can't wait to grub. Yeah. Y'all probably like, what the hell did she just make? But no, like, I seen this thing on TikTok, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have to try that. Like y'all not really looking though. Like, I'm finna grow with some sweet potatoes. I didn't finish this here, but look, all I'm gonna say is we eating good tonight. Got my nails done. I'm getting ready for Philly. Period. Yeah.